Custom software projects are complex and full of context-dependent decisions that need to be made. First of those is the tools and technologies that we use to build the solution. So how can we have confidence that we select the right technology? RoleModel is intentionally different in the way that we select technology for our projects. Our strategy is focused on the partners that we serve and the common challenges and business problems that they're looking to solve. This means we don't simply select technologies that are new or trending in the market, or the shiny things that we as developers would like to experiment with. We primarily serve small to medium businesses. These organizations are agile, continually evolving their competitive advantage and looking to stand out from their competition. The tools and technologies that we select need to enable us to serve them well by evolving their technology as their business evolves and grows. Practicing the RoleModel way of selecting technology means that we're not simply delivering an initial project and then moving on. We're actively building long-term partnerships, getting to value fast and sustaining it over the long term. In order to do this effectively, we focus on building small, high-performance teams, leveraging and focusing on developer productivity, as that impacts many different areas of the project, from how fast we can ship features to the long-term sustainability of the solutions that we're building. This, combined with the RoleModel way of project management, design, and even testing, informs the technology decisions that we make so that we can build a solid foundation for our team to work in and handle the transitions that are naturally going to happen within our team, or even if we transition this project to another external team. Ultimately, we're not focused on building budget software solutions, but rather maximizing the investment for long-term value. I love the analogy of the technology adoption curve from Crossing the Chasm. It's a bell curve with innovators on one end and laggards on the other. But you'll notice a gap between early adopters and the early majority. This is the point in the technology lifecycle where something has to prove itself. Can it move from the land of the tinkerers to the world of the pragmatist? At RoleModel, we ultimately want to leverage emerging technologies, but not be dependent upon them. We are students of the chasm, focusing on technologies that are looking to cross it. We want to be experimenting with those tools that make sense for a given project without jeopardizing the ultimate success that we're trying to have. So how do we apply this practically? We've got an experiments culture at RoleModel, which means we're always looking for the potential opportunities where a new technology or refinement of approach would make a significant impact in a partner's project. Additionally, we set aside time each quarter for some internal experimentation, looking to prove technologies that are on the cusp of crossing the chasm that we can implement in our future projects. For your project, you'll experience the confidence of working with a team that understands the proven technologies they're using to build a solid foundation, with the added benefit of the RoleModel team continually evaluating technology trends and tools that could be applied to your project without a complete rewrite. Technology is always changing. That's part of what excites us as developers, to see the new opportunities that brings. But it has to be met with discipline. The RoleModel way of selecting technology is how we approach that, by being intentionally different, focused on building sustainable partnerships while still being on the leading edge through our experiments culture.